Emergency lighting means system that provides sufficient illumination to replace the existing safety and normal lighting system in the event of a power failure, so that people can evacuate a place of assembly. Bathroom means room or part of a room that contains a bath, shower or spa or any combination of these, each installed as a fixture. Cable means length of one or more insulated cores that has solid or stranded conductors that are assembled together during manufacture and that may or may not have an overall mechanical covering. Consumer's earth termina means terminal that is effectively and permanently earthed and to which the earth continuity conductor of an installation is permanently connected. Voltage means difference of electrical potential RMS values in the case of AC between any two live conductors or, if there is only one conductor, between that conductor or any one live conductor and earth. Flexible cord means a cable of which the nominal cross-sectional area of each conductor does not exceed 2 square millimeter. Flexible cord means a cable of which the nominal cross-sectional area of each conductor does not exceed 2 square millimeter. Portable water pump means pump that can be easily moved from one place to another while connected to the supply. Point of control means point at which a consumer can, on or in any premises, switch off the electrical installation from the electricity supplied from the point of outlet. Circuit breaker means mechanical switching device that is capable of making, carrying, and breaking currents under normal circuit conditions, and of making, carrying for a specified time, and automatically breaking currents under specified abnormal circuit conditions, such as those of overcurrent. Surge protective device means device that contains at least one non-linear component that is intended to limit surge voltages and divert surge currents. Class IA transformer means transformer in which protection against electric shock does not rely on basic insulation only, but in which additional safety precautions such as double insulation or reinforced insulation are provided, there being no provision for protective earthing or reliance upon installation conditions. Point of supply means point at which a supplier supplies electricity to any premises. Live means or alive means electrically charge. Multi-core cable means cable that contains at least 2 cores. Premises means place such as a site, building or structure, whether stationary or mobile, that can be electrically wired. Circuit means arrangement of conductors for the purpose of carrying electric current. Plug means device that 1 has 2 or more metallic contacts in the form of pins. 2 is arranged for attachment to a flexible cord or cable, and 3 is intended for engagement with a socket outlet. Protected extra low voltage PEL circuit means extra low voltage EL circuit with protective separation from other circuits which, for functional reasons, may be earthed, and or the exposed conductive parts of which may be earthed. Note PELV circuits are used where the circuits are earthed and SELV is not required. Flexible cord means cable of which the nominal cross-sectional area of each conductor does not exceed 4 square millimeter, and each conductor consists of strands of diameter less than 0.31 millimeters. Wireway means open or enclosed route or support such as a rack, tray, ladder, ducting, trunking, sleeving or conduit that is intended to contain conductors or cables. Protective bonding conductor means protective conductor PE provided for protective equipotential bonding. Supplementary insulation means independent insulation applied in addition to basic insulation in order to provide protection against electric shock in the event of failure of the basic insulation. Ducting means closed enclosure that allows insulated conductors and cables in electrical installations to be drawn in and to be replaced. Cable gland mechanical means device designed to permit the entry of an armored cable, flexible cable or insulated conductor into an enclosure, which provides sealing and main earthing. Terminal means busbar terminal or busbar that is part of the earthing arrangement of an installation that enables the electric connection of a number of conductors for earthing purposes. Prospective short circuit current means value of overcurrent at a given point in a circuit, which results from a fault of negligible impedance between live conductors that have a difference of potential under normal operating conditions, or between a live conductor and an exposed conductive part. Multipole switch means switch in which all poles are mechanically coupled together and that is suitable for making, carrying, and breaking the currents in all the phase conductors or, if so required, all the live conductors of a circuit. Earth continuity conductor means earthing conductor, including any clamp or terminal that connects the consumer's earth terminal to the exposed conductive parts of an installation for the purpose of earthing such parts and carrying fault currents.